Isha Deol. She is beautiful daughter of Dharmendra and Hema Malini ji. And do you know, Dharmendra was also Grand Marshal in one of the years. Can anybody answer which year? Anybody? Okay. No, it's 2003. And she is following up with her father's footsteps, and she is here today. And she was traveling from New Jersey, and so she could not be part of the parade during the when we had the floats. So now I want to welcome Isha Deol ji. She has been, as you all know, she has done Dhoom, Yuva, No Entry, and many more movies. And she is a great dancer. So, welcome Isha ji.
Thank you. What's up, Fremont? It's a pleasure, absolute pleasure being back here. I remember being here with all of y'all for the year 2011 New Year's and 2012. I was very much here in the Bay Area only. And I think it's the love that you people have for me that I'm back again this year. And hopefully we'll be back again and again. And I would like to thank Dr. Chhabra for having me all the way from Bombay here to celebrate our Indian independence with all you wonderful people. Like Ayushman said, I think it's really touching to see the amount of patriotism all of you all have living so far away from your motherland. It really is a very emotional feeling for all of us, and I think you guys seem to celebrate every festival that we do back home better, much better over here. So keep that spirit going. And last but not the least, I am very proud to be here for Independence Day, and I think we should keep our flag ठंडा हमेशा ऊंचा रखना चाहिए. Today we can proudly say that India is the third most powerful country in the nation, and I think with the brilliant guidance of our new leader Modi ji, ab ki baar Modi Sarkar, we are definitely going to reach #1. So let's all put our hands together and keep our flag always flying high in the sky, and always keep our emotions, sentiments and traditional values that our motherland gives to us. Jai Hind.